Are you free? Just asking. A lot of questions this morning, isn't it? But we need to ask these stuff because Paul is asking, are you free of sin? Well, Pastor, no, I'm not. Why not? Well, it just keeps lingering on. It can only linger in your life for as long as you make room for it. If you don't make room for sin in your life, it will not be there. Now, that doesn't mean it won't come knocking on the door trying to get back in, but it won't have a place to sit down. It won't have a place to lay its head at night. It won't have a place to be comfortable. It's only there as long as you allow it. God's already taken it from your life. You're the one that invited it back in. Paul was clear. He said, you have been made free. The old you, the one chained to sin, is crucified and it's gone. Christian, you are free. You're no more a slave to sin. This is the reason we celebrate. Sin has no legal claim on you anymore. Paul was excited here. Celebrate. You have been recovered from death and brought to life. Paul wants to let you realize that everything he's been saying in these last 5 chapters is coming to an end, that you would understand there has been a reckoning and you have been presented and it has been counted true, and offer yourself to God because he offered himself to you through his son. Look at verses number 11 through 14. So you also must consider, the New King James and the King James is the way I was brought up. It says, reckon yourselves. You must consider or reckon yourselves dead to sin and alive to God in Christ Jesus. Let not sin therefore reign in your mortal body. Did you hear that? Let not sin reign. We talked about this last week. Reign meaning set up a statute, meaning it has found a kingdom in your soul. Therefore, let not in your mortal body, do not present your members to sin, but present yourself to God, for sin will have no dominion over you, since you are not under the law, but under grace. What does that mean, Pastor? The word reckon, count it true. So we must count it true that ourselves are dead to sin and alive to God. You have to believe it. You have to walk in it. If you did not, your baptism was nothing more than a wet experience. Well, I said the words and the pastor said I need to get baptized. You get baptized, okay, I guess I'm saved. Let's go have a beer. Let's go get high. Let's go lie. Let's go treat people poorly. Let's be mean to our friends. Let's be mean to our spouses. Let's treat our family like dirt. Let's look in the mirror and beat ourselves up and say, I'm too ugly, I'm too fat, I'm too short. No one ever says they're too tall. We must count it true to ourselves that when we were made new, so was our personality, so was our outlook on life, and so was the way we treat others.